Hello, welcome to the Old Phone channel. Currently, some iPhone users are reporting an issue where the wallpaper turns black or disappears for them. Affected iPhone users say that when they switch to the lock or home screen, the wallpaper is automatically changed to a black backdrop. Next, there are some tips that hope to help you solve this problem. Method 1. Force to restart your iPhone. This way is the easiest way to fix many small issues whenever you meet any problem. You can have a try for iPhone 8 or later iPhone models. You just need to press and release the volume up, then volume down. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. The whole process is very simple. Now you can check your iPhone. If nothing happens, there is the next free method. Way 2. Reset all settings. In this way, you can reset some settings to fix this problem. Here, go to Settings, tap General, then tap Reset. Reset all settings. Just like this. Then you can check it. Method 3. Use iOS system repair. If none of the above methods can solve your problem, then you can consider using some tools. Old Phone iOS system repair can fix more than 150 iPhone issues. No matter what problem you encounter, you can use it to try to fix it. So we connect the iPhone to your computer. Then click Start button. Here we select Standard Repair to fix white screen. Then download firmware. Then we start repair. Okay, it says the repair is completed. Let's check it. Make your own wallpaper as usual. Wondering about some new wallpaper feature updates for iOS 17? You can refer to the next video. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.